Afternoon everyone. Okay, so big deal happened here in Chandler. Early hours of this morning we got rain. We haven't had measurable rain for 110 days. Yeah, since August we haven't had any rain. So watch out, Jakey. Jakey, come on, Jakey. That's how the yard is looking. For you people in England, you'll be like, oh my, that's so dry. But for us here, this is serious. It's like we have to make plans on where to tack up and all kinds of nonsense. So I'll take the camera out. Jakey, you liking the camera? You like it? So yep, we'll make I'll take the camera out on a ride today just to show you guys what it looks like after the rain. 110 days, very exciting for us. So this is the ride out. There's puddles on the road, people. Puddles over car cast. Very, very unusual, big deal here. There's the Santan Mountains in the background. I can't tell you people what a big deal this is. This is the horse trail that they have in the neighborhood. Can't ride on it. It's got puddles, and the road's got puddles, and there's mud. That's the turn into somebody's driveway. Thando's a bit fresh. He's been in the whole day because of all the mud at the yard. We kept him in the store. I asked for that so I didn't come to a dirty horse. You know, when you got to groom your own horse, you've got to think of these things. Like I've told you guys before, go hug your grooms, man. Go hug your grooms and thank them. They're amazing. So Linds came to join us for a little while.
I came to bring your phone.
I forgot my phone at home, so Lindsay brought it over for me. See the beauty here in Arizona? Is it rained most of the morning and into the afternoon, but there's the sun. There you go. Sun is shining on my face.
Here's Brodie off leash. There's Dean and Thando in the sunset after our heavy day of rain. Whoa. Oh, maybe not such a good idea into the sun.
It'll be nice to show people the sun. But it's cold. It's like 58 degrees.
Going to the underpass. It's a bit wet down here.
There's a bald eagle in the tree on the other side of the lake.
In that tree in the middle of the frame.
So the puddles in the tunnel are a new challenge for him. He's never seen it. He's done very good. Well done, boy. Good horse. Good horse. Good horse. Come this side. Good boy. Come this side. Good boy. Good boy. He's very fresh today. Very fresh. We've had a couple of spooks with fish in the canal and that kind of thing. So I'm very aware of him at the moment. Alright, let's get to slowly. Come. Good boy. Linds and Brodie are behind us. Good dog, Brodie. Very clever. Very clever. Hey, Thando, your brother's quite smart, eh? Oh. Good horse. That's down where Namaste Ranch is, just after those cars. That's where Emmy and Amy keep the horses, the other two ladies that you see me riding with sometimes. Lana, the chestnut, and Dakota. Amy rides the one who rides bareback. It's just... So by the gum trees is the ranch. And then just up here is the turnoff. And then not even half a mile down the road this way, just through there, our house is through there. Very, very handy. Very handy. And then there's the sunset, the Arizona sunset after the rain. Thanks, babe. That was a lovely evening. So I've left Linds and Brodie off and they've gone that way to go home. They'll be home in like 3 minutes. And I'll be back at the ranch in 3 minutes. And then we'll feed this guy. Hey, Thando, you hungry, mate? Hmm? Are you hungry? Hey?